your partner to be from the other country, you must know the language. You must know the language first. If it is English, make sure you know English. Na unaweza improve with this English. Usikuwe na stress. Kitu ya kwanza, you practice speaking skill. Speaking skill. Make sure you speak in English even if it is one word per day. Take your 5 minutes every day. Make sure you speak in English. Even if you want to say, I am going to the market. I am going to the what? I want to eat. This is a cup. This is what? A simple English. That is not practicing that skill. That is now speaking skill. Make sure you speak in English every. Take your 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Aya, kitu ingine unafaa kujua. Make sure you improve your listening skill. Make sure